Hey guys, so this is all the puppies. They're so cute. I see Mama Nyla. This is Aurora, Piper, Blue, and Dopey is the tiny one right here. So Dopey, Blue, Piper, and Aurora. And then there's Nyla, the mama, my puppy. They're so cute. Yeah. Hey Dopey. Dopey is done eating. This is Dopey. We might keep him. Oh, he's yawning. Oh, you smell bad. Look at him. He's puppy. He's so cute. Super mean now, mommy. You break this one, now, mommy. You crank that song, now, mommy. You. So cute. I really like Dopey. We might keep this one. Because my dad really likes Dopey. Because Dopey, comes up to my dad a lot. My dad thinks he respects him. The two brown ones, like the color of Nyla, are they are boys. The two light ones that are Blueberry's color, the dad, Pomeranian. It's crazy. I love this dog mixed with the Pomeranian. Makes such cute puppies. But yeah, they're Blueberry's color. There's two boys and girls. The two Nyla color, so brown ones, are boys. The two light colors, so Blueberry color, are girls. And yeah, really cute. And that's today. And go subscribe, like, and comment on videos I should do, like challenge and stuff. I will try to do it. And bye.